Hello everyone, it's another wonderful day in the world of online business, and today we're going to be doing another Squarespace tutorial on how to add your Instagram photos to Squarespace. And if you're new here, my name is Matthew and I bring you business tips and tricks to help propel your business forward. So if it can help you do that, please hit subscribe down there in the bottom right, ring that bell. Otherwise, let's just jump into it. In order to add Instagram to your page, you first want to go to your settings tab, and then you can scroll down to connected accounts. So I already have all of my accounts in here, but if you don't have it yet, all you need to do is hit connect account, and then you can look through the whole list of accounts that you can connect. And if you haven't connected some of these, I would go ahead and do so if you have them, but you want to scroll down to, from here, the images section, and you can see Instagram. Now then that'll pull up a separate window where you actually have to go through, log in, then get connected, and it will allow you to then put your Instagram account onto your Squarespace page. So once you've done that, you can come back here and then navigate to the page or blog that you want to add your Instagram to. So maybe, let's say you're a photography studio, or you're a business that wants to showcase some of your work, or you just want to add your Instagram, maybe at the bottom or a banner. So let's just go in here, and I'm going to edit this section. Come in, and you see this teardrop. You actually just click that, and then you get the window here you normally do. You scroll all the way down, and in social blocks you actually see Instagram. So what this allows you to do, if you have multiple accounts connected to your Squarespace, you'll be able to select that here, and then you can actually select how many items you want to show. So do you just want to show 2? Do you want to show the previous 10? You can also have it so you can search in, but then it gets rid of some of your images. So I would just leave the most recent 10, and then if people want to, they can look into your Instagram further. Now if you noticed, as I've selected 10, it shows across, but then the last 2 down here are kind of by themselves, and that's actually where you can get a little bit more creative. So firstly, there is actually a couple different options for you to design the Instagram feed. I personally like grid the best because I just really think it displays your images the most. I don't know, it's just the most appealing personally. So now, all right, the second thing, let's say that your images aren't all square and it isn't lining up correctly. Maybe you have some portrait images. As you can see here, this is a little bit different. Well, you can select the aspect ratio to be square, and then you can actually hit crop images, and it'll make everything the same. That's very appealing to me personally. I like things to be equal size and equal height, so it works out best. Now, how do we fix this issue down here with the 2 images by themselves? Well, you can actually change the number of thumbnails per row, and since I selected 10, I know that 5 thumbnails each will make it look nice and even across the board. The last thing that you can do right here is adding padding. So what does that do? Well, if you decrease the padding, it makes the images closer together. You can make it down to 0 so it looks like they're all touching each other, or you can increase it so they're further apart. And it's just whatever your personal preference is that you would like. You can make it so that they can click on the images, it makes them bigger. You can make it so that if they click on them, they actually link to, or the images will open in a new window by themselves. So whichever you guys think is the best for your particular business. It's really, really neat because you can showcase some of the things that you're doing on Instagram, hopefully prompt some people to go over and follow your Instagram account, learn a little bit more about you and your business and what you're doing. And overall, it's just a great tool for you to use to get connected with your audience. I hope that this has been helpful to you today, and I really hope that you guys will be able to add your Instagram accounts, get set up, get to be able to display your photos, connect with your audience. If there's anything that you'd like me to see do in the future, leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up for the video if you liked it. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.